Have you ever wondered how to securely and conveniently make online payments without using a credit card? Well, look no further than paysafe money. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of paysafe money, exploring how it works, its benefits, and how you can use it to make hassle-free transactions. What is paysafe money? Paysafe money is a digital wallet that allows you to store and spend money online. It's a safe and secure alternative to traditional payment methods, offering a variety of features that make it a popular choice for online shoppers and gamers alike. How does paysafe money work? To start using paysafe money, you'll need to create an account. Once you've signed up, you can fund your account using various methods, including cash deposits, bank transfers, and credit/debit cards. Once your account is funded, you can use your paysafe money balance to make purchases at thousands of online merchants. Benefits of using paysafe money. There are many benefits to using paysafe money. Here are just a few. Security. Paysafe money uses advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Convenience. Paysafe money is easy to use and can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Privacy. When you use paysafe money, your personal information is not shared with the merchant. Flexibility. Paysafe money can be used for a variety of online transactions, including purchases, gaming, and online gambling. How to use paysafe money? Using paysafe money is simple. When you're ready to make a purchase, just select paysafe money as your payment method. You'll be prompted to enter your paysafe money email address and password. Once you've entered your credentials, your payment will be processed. Where can I use paysafe money? Paysafe money is accepted at thousands of online merchants worldwide. You can find a list of merchants that accept paysafe money on the Paysafe website. Paysafe money and online gaming. Paysafe money is particularly popular among online gamers. Many online casinos, poker rooms, and gaming platforms accept paysafe money as a payment method. Using paysafe money for online gaming is a safe and convenient way to fund your account and enjoy your favorite games. Tips for using paysafe money. Here are a few tips for using paysafe money. Keep your account balance updated. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover your purchases. Check your transaction history regularly. Review your transaction history to ensure that all your payments have been processed correctly. Protect your account information. Never share your paysafe money account details with anyone. Paysafe money is a convenient and secure way to make online payments. Whether you're an online shopper, a gamer, or simply looking for a safe alternative to traditional payment methods, paysafe money is a great option. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a paysafe money account today and start enjoying the benefits of this innovative payment solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.